been understanding, but I believe that there are some students who cannot understand it by themselves. Okay, let's start with this. So we have this lesson on week number 3, wherein we will be discussing the organizing and presenting data using a frequency table. So the lesson talks about really immediately with the word frequency table. Okay, from the word, oops, mali yung aking camera. For a while class, I'll just do the editing. Okay, so let's have it now. So the lesson talks about frequency table. When you say frequency table, gumagamit tayo ng table of ng frequencies na tinatawag. When you say frequency, you're talking about numbers. Okay? So example, ilan po ba yung kumain ng ice cream kaninang alas 9 ng umaga? So sabihin natin 20. So yan yung frequency or yung bilang, in other words. Next, frequency table. From the word table, ibig sabihin magkakaroon tayo ng tinatawag na rows and columns na kung saan isusulat natin yung mga numbers or data. Okay? So, punta na tayo dito sa example natin. So, we have the first example. Okay, the following example or the following are the results of a 50-item test in General Santos City Trade School. Okay, ito yung example. So in this case, we are going to identify or we are going to make a frequency table out of that data. So gagawa daw tayo ng frequency table na tinatawag. Okay, how are we going to make this frequency table? First is you're going to identify which is the smallest and the highest number. Sige daw, anong smallest number dyan?
20.
20 ba, be? 20. Yes, that is 20. What is the highest number?
45.
45. So, in this case, isasubtract mo muna sila. So, 45 minus 20, that is 25. Okay. So, pag nakakuha na tayo ng 25, i-identify na natin yung tinatawag na range. Ano yung range? Yung range is example 2 to 3, 4 to 7, ganyan po ang ibig sabihin ng range. Or 5 to 15, 20 to 100, yan po yung ibig sabihin ng range. So, identify natin yung range based on that. So, meron tayong 25. So, yung range natin is what? Is it by 6, by 5, by 4, etc. and so on and so forth. So, dyan natin identify, based sa ating 25, kung ano ba yung range natin. In this case, pag gamitin natin siyang by 6, ang 25 ba ma-divide sa 6? Yes or no? Or ba? Wala bang decimal? Or whole number ba ang answer kapag i-divide natin sa 25 and 6? Of course not. Kasi pag i-divide natin sa 25 and 6, 4 point something. What about si 4? Pag i-divide ba natin siya kay 25, whole number ang sagot? Or may decimal din ba? Or may point? In this case,
po.
Hindi din po. Tama po yun, hindi po. Pero, si 5, pag i-divide natin kay 25, pwede siyang, ang answer is 5 also. And 5 is the whole number. So, 5 yung range natin by 5. So, by 5 yung range natin. So, gagawa tayo ng range. Okay, scores or pwedeng range ang ilagay. Dito tayo sa gilid. Scores or range. Next, tally. Next, frequency. F is frequency. So, gawa na tayo ng table na tinatawag. Okay? So, by 5 man tayo. The lowest number kanina is 20. So, 20, 20, 21, 20, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. By 5 yan siya. Next, ano sunod ng 24 is 25. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Okay? Nakuha nyo ba? Okay, next. 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. 30 to 34. Next. 35 ang next number. 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. No, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. 39 pala. Up to ma-reach mo yung last number. Ang last number natin is 45. So hanggang doon tayo, 35. Next, dito naman, 40. Hindi ko na ma-move yung whiteboard, so pakinggan nyo na lang, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. Next, tapos ng 44 is 45. Next, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. Okay, yan na po yun siya. So yan na po yung range na tinatawag or scores, in other words. So, yung 20 to 24, itali ninyo. Ang tali is yung parang tally sticks nga, kung alam ninyo. So, 20 to 24. Bilangin ninyo kung ilan yung 20 to 24 based sa ating given. Meron tayong 20, isa. 21, isa. O, ganito na lang. Para hindi kayo malito, 38 ang first given, tama? 38, saan nabilong si 38? Dito, tali. Next si 20, dito. Next si 21, dyan. Next si 31, dito. Next si 40, sa baba. Next si 45, sa baba also. Next si 37, dito. Next si 28, dito. Next si 24, dito. Next si 45, pinakababa. Next si 33, dito. Next si 44. Next si 26, dito. Next 37, dito. Next si 32, dito. Next si 26, dito. Next si 43, pababa. Next 35, dito. Next 28, 28, dito. Next si 30, 30 dito. Okay. So, ganyan po yung tali na tinatawag. So, pag bilangin nyo ang F, yung frequency, ilan sila? 1, 2, 3. Sulat lang dyan, 3. Dito, 4. Kabila naman, 4. Kabila naman, 4. Kabila, 3, and 2. Okay, ganun lang po yun siya. What if umabot siya ng 5? Pag umabot ng 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, ang ika-5, ganyan, slash. Okay? Yan po yung tandaan ninyo. And that is now how to make the frequency table. Pag gumawa ng frequency table, do not forget the title. Table 1, kung table 1 siya or table 2. Frequency table of, tingnan natin, ano to siya na table? Summative test of grade 7 wisdom. Table of summative test of grade 7 wisdom. Okay, yan po yung title. Okay, so, nakuha nyo na po ba? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes po. Yes po.
Okay. So, ang mahirap lang dito, paano nyo i-identify yung tinatawag natin na range? Ito po. Paano nyo i-identify itong range? Okay. Paano i-identify ang range? Kunin lang ang biggest number or biggest given at saka lowest given. Okay. Next. What if pwede siya sa by 5, pwede pa siya sa by 4, yung range ninyo. Okay lang po yun. Pilian nyo lang kung saan doon na mas maganda. Is by 5 ba or si by 4 ba or si by 3. Depende sa inyo. It's up to you. Okay? So in this case, we will have the examples. So we have this given. The following activity number 2, we have ages 40 learners. So 40 learners, the ages of 40 learners are as follows. 11, 12, and 13. Merong 14, merong 15. Pwedeng by 2s yan, pwedeng by 1. It's up to you. So kung by 1, wag na kayo maglagay ng range. Pero mas maganda, may range. Okay? So gawan nyo ito ngayon ng what is the oldest age, what is the youngest age, what is the range of their ages. Ibig sabihin, kukunin daw yung range. If you make to make only 2 groups of intervals, what must be the class interval? Ano po yung class interval? Ito po yung class interval. Tinatawag 20 to 24, 25 to 29, 30 to 34. Yung range, yung by 5, by 2, by 1, by 3, by 7, ganun po. Next, what are the group of intervals of ages? Ang group, ito po yung mga groups. Ito po, ito lahat. Tawag dito, interval. But at the same time, groups din po ang tawag niyan. Next, you are going to make the frequency table. Okay? I hope the activity number 2 is very clear to you. So, do you have the copy of this class in your photocopy?
Ikaw, sir, tinan ko po muna.
Kung wala po, screenshot nyo na lang po.
Meron po.
Okay, meron. You may use that one as your, the back page of that will be your answer sheet or pwede pong sa inyong notebook or scratch para mas maganda po or mas malinis. Okay, you may now start answering this one. Just the activity number 2. Okay, your time starts now. I will end the call. I will end the Google Meet and submit your output later. Sige, bye everyone. Thank you and God bless.
Thank you,
Goodbye.
sir.
Thank you po.
Thank you po, sir.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Thank you po, sir.
Thank you po, sir. Thank you.
Goodbye, sir.